Hey guys, what's up? It's here, Phil. I'm here with a new tutorial, and this is gonna be an Arduino IDE tutorial. And here we go. And this tutorial, I'm gonna teach you the basic programming language of Arduino IDE. I'm gonna teach you like the basics. Okay. So first of all, you come up to a new sketch, okay? And it has two functions, the void setup and the void loop, okay? In the void setup, we set things up for the code. So like we declare what we want, like let's say I want a LED to be blinking. So I would have to declare the LED to be an output, right? So to do that, we just do pin mode, let's say 13, output. So there, we just declared pin 13 output. So void setup is for setting things up, okay? Now void loop keeps running over and over again in the processor. So whatever you put in here will keep running over and over again. So let's write a simple sketch. First of all, we have pin mode 13 output. So the pin is 13 on your Arduino, and we're setting it to output because we want it to blink. So we want it to send electrical signal out. And so now to code it, we have to write this function. It's called digital write, and then we declare which pin we want to write, which is pin 13 because this is on pin 13. Then we write high, and high stands for on. So if you put it high, it's on. If you put it low, it's off. Then we can write, this is to write it on. Now we can write a function to make a delay, to keep it on for a certain amount of time. So the function is delay, and inside these two brackets we can put the millisecond value that we want it to delay for. So if we want it to delay for half a second, for example, we write 500, because 500 milliseconds is half a second, okay? Now we can write this again if we want to turn off the LED. Digital write 13 low, because low turns it off. Now we need to put another delay because we don't want it to turn off automatically then turn back on, because you won't see it turn it off. So we can just copy this and paste it. So now you'll see it turn on for half a second and then off for half a second, and then we'll keep repeating this in the loop function over and over and over again. And so it will continuously turn on, turn off, turn on, turn off, okay? And if we compile it, you can save it. First you have to save it. You could save it as whatever. I'm just going to save it as blink 2, and you can see it'll take a while, but it will compile. I can go ahead and speed this up for you. Okay, so now it compiled, so that now we know that the code is correct. If you upload this to Arduino, make sure that under Tools you select the right board. Now if you have the Arduino Uno, it should be the Arduino Genuino Uno. Then under the ports, it should show your port. Then you just select the right port and upload the sketch. This will turn the LED on and off. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Come back next tutorial to learn what ints and other things are. Okay, bye bye.